the rock.
You can touch the rock. I don't want to touch the rock. Might burn my skin.
Okay. Let's go.
Go.
I'm done.
You don't want to touch it?
I don't want to. Colorful rocks and that flying drone right there. Why is everyone here just because of these rocks?
Just park here. You're gonna steal our stuff.
Okay guys, let's go.
I'm not gonna move this stuff out of the car.
No, neither. Oh, nobody will steal. Totally. Can one of us stay in the car and take a nap? Let's go. You sure not? You're not gonna take pictures?
You guys go. I'll stay with the truck for now. Yeah.
Someone's gotta watch the truck.
Yeah, I will.
Can I stay and take a nap?
No, you need an adult assistance. Okay, go you guys with mom. Come on. Gotta protect mom.
Protect her from what? The giant rocks? Look at me. You okay?
Go ahead, Mix. You can walk the front. You too, Nat. Action cam. Action cam. think so. They're flat. You can go hide behind it. This one's good because it catches all of them. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. No, I don't want.
Huh?
I don't want. I'm the film man.
You don't want to touch the rock?
You can touch the rock. I don't want to touch the rock. Might burn my skin.
Let's go.
Go.
I'm done.
You don't want to touch it?
I don't want to.